What's good, y'all? Yeah, let's check out this video from Screen Rant. Batman versus Batman. Yeah, not Batman versus Superman. Batman versus Batman. I'm guessing this is Christian Bale's Batman versus Ben Affleck's Batman. You know, so let's check it out. This is a fan-made trailer too, so let's check it out. Rock bottom.
More copycats last night, Alfred, with guns.
More copycats.
Need to know if you can be trusted.
That's good, man.
Take this guy, double homicide, got a taste for the theatrical like you. Leaves a calling card.
The double homicide. It's funny because Ben's Batman kills people. Christian Bale doesn't.
We're criminals, Alfred. We've always been criminals. Nothing's changed. 20 years in Gotham, Alfred. How many good guys are left? How many stayed that way?
I was meant to inspire good, not madness, not death.
The Batmobile versus the Tumbler, right? Which one is better? I don't know, I like both of those, man. Both of those was ill.
You're gonna go to war. Criminals like weeds, Alfred.
Big bats versus skinny bats. Three Jokers. Wow, man. That's a crazy universe, boy.
A little push. There was your rat. You got rules. He's got no rules.
This would be so cool, man.
Uriah, it ends here.
This would be so fucking cool, man. I swear, two Batmans in the movie, man. I want to see that for real.
Die because of me.
Wasn't that? There's been different comic books like that.
Which means something. My parents taught me a different lesson. Dying in the gutter for no reason at all.
An unstoppable force meets an immovable object.
I mean, the third Batman coming? What? I'm about to say, Michael Keaton, if the third one comes in, oh god, it's gonna be over. The original Bats.
Not gonna stop it, but I may need your help.
Yeah! So double teaming them. Oh shit. Man. Woo! This is good too, man. This is cut together good too. Like that. I like that. I like it. God, man.
You were the best of us. He wanted to prove that he was
I like the music in it too, man. It's so fucking. God, man.
That's clear.
I'm not afraid. You will.
You either die a hero or you live long to see yourself become a villain.
Oh shit.
I need a new suit.
I got just the thing.
Oh, now you're just showing off.
Oh hell.
Hey everyone,
Oh,
for
shit.
Batman versus Batman. Which
Iron
one do you
Bats.
think would win in this epic battle? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out our other trailers, list videos, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this one.
Screen Rant. Y'all motherfuckers, man. Awesome job. Incredible, man. Incredible. I loved everything about that, man. Even putting, you know, the Michael Keaton's Batman in there, man. It's like, I want to see that, man. I want to see a film like that. The universe, all Batmans, all Jokers, you know, some kind of something, man. They did it, stuff like that in the comics and stuff. Put it on film, man. Come on, DC. Come on, you motherfuckers at DC. Do something, man. Johns and I forgot his first name. What's his name? Y'all know the dude, man, that makes all the WB stuff, and now he owns the DC films and stuff, you know, the DCEU and stuff. Johns, yeah, Jeff Johns, that's his name, I think his name. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Jeff Johns. I'm gonna just call him that if it's not his name. Shit. But yeah, make a movie like that. I would love to see that. I'll be the first motherfucker there. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe to Screen Rant. Watch the original video, y'all. If y'all like my reaction, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share.